Hello friends, once again welcome back to my channel. First of all, I would like to thank you for the amazing response to my earlier two videos. In case we are not known, in the last two videos I have explained the strategies on how to trade a stock when it opens gap down or gap up, and another strategy which I have explained is based on the simple moving average. Okay, in case if you have not seen those two videos, I strongly suggest you guys to go and watch those videos also. I'm already getting the reports that some of the traders are getting good amount of profits with the gap and go trading strategy. So guys, I request you to go and watch those videos also. The links have been given in the description of this particular video. And coming to the today's video, I am going to share a beautiful secret strategy for taking positional trades as well as intraday trades. So this strategy which I am going to explain in this video is considered as the best kept strategy of FIIs. However, in this video I am going to reveal that strategy so that you guys can benefit just like FIIs or any other traders. So guys, the strategy is based upon the Renko charts. So normally we people might be using this kind of candlestick charts most of the times. So let me add the candlestick chart. So this type of charts will be normally using. Okay, here in case if you see there is lot of noise in this particular chart, whether you take a trade at this position, you will not know whether the stock will move in the downward direction or whether it will move in the upward direction. You will be uncertain about the trend of this particular stock. Okay, however, by following the trend, okay, you can make lot of profitable trades. Okay, so most of the profitable traders will follow the trend rather than going against the trend. They will follow the trend. That's the most important thing. But how will you get to know what is the trend of a particular stock? Okay, so with the help of Renko charts, this task become very easy. And one more mistake what normal traders will do is they will book the profits very early. Okay, suppose you have shorted this Bharti Airtel stock early morning, let us say. So this is the 13th April chart of Bharti Airtel. Let us say you have shorted at this point. Okay, at 350 rupees you have shorted this particular Bharti Airtel stock. Okay, so when the price falls down by some 2 rupees or 3 rupees, somewhere here you might be booking the profits. Most of the traders will book the profit when the stock moves by 1% or some 0.7% in their favor. But if you see the stock fell down to a price of 340 rupees. Okay, not only 340 rupees, let's see. Okay, so it made a low of 340 rupees. Since you have booked the profit at 347 rupees, you missed this total 7 rupees of profit. But is it possible to book the complete profit? Yes, there are certain strategies which allow you to book the maximum profit, or which allow you to maximize your profit booking chances. Okay, so here instead of plotting this kind of candlestick chart, if you use Renko chart, so it would help you to maximize the amount of profit which you can book in each trade. And also it will help you to cut short your losses if the trade goes wrong. Okay, so it will help you to cut short your losses. So most of the times we'll be using this type of candlestick charts only. These candlestick charts provide information of time and price movement. Okay, the time movement will be given by the duration of this chart, that is 5 minutes or 2 minutes, whatever you set. That is the time movement that is represented by the each candle. And coming to the price movement, here there are 4 things that are given by each candle: opening price, closing price, low made by the stock, and high made by the stock. That way each candle will give 4 types of information, that is opening price, closing price, high and low, and each candle will be of particular duration. When it comes to the Renko chart, okay, actually there are so many other types of charts like Heikin Ashi, it is another popular chart, and Kagi chart, line break chart, range bar charts. These are some of the widely used charts other than the candlestick chart. The next type of chart which is barely used by many traders is Renko chart, because the name will look little odd, and most of the people don't know what this Renko chart is. So here the only thing which you have to set here is the range. Okay, so for now you just don't think about this range. I'm going to explain what this range in shortly. So let's say I'm going to put some 0.5 here. Let's see how this chart will change. Okay, so this is how the chart will change when I keep a range of 0.5. Okay, see, previously there is lot of noise. When I used this Renko chart, that complete noise has been omitted. Okay, so here the price is moving up and down, up and down. Okay, the chart is like up and down like this. Lot of crest and trough formations are there. But when I used this Renko chart, all that variation, all that noise has been gone. Okay, so if you are shorted this stock at 340 rupees or 340 rupees or 350 rupees, somewhere here 350 rupees, if you are shorted this stock at this point, okay, you can make the first profit booking at 344 rupees. So that's a profit of almost 6 rupees. Okay, so the strategy here is you have to go for short when the first red candle forms. You have to buy the stock back when the first green candle forms. Okay, so here you should call these candles as boxes because there is no upper shadow and there is no lower shadow. It gives information only about the opening price and the closing price. Okay, opening price and closing price. So here the stock doesn't consider anything about the time. Here if you see, the first box has been plotted at 9:15, second box is also at 9:15, third box is also at 9:15, fourth box is also at 9:15, whereas the fifth box it is at 9:25. At the opening of the market, that is at 9:15 itself, the stock fell down by some 2 rupees. Here if you observe, when we are adding this Renko chart, okay, when we are adding this Renko chart, we have set the range as 0.5. okay, so each box here represents a price variation of 0.5 rupees. So for a new box to be drawn, the price has to move by at least 0.5 rupees in that particular direction. Okay, if the box of opposite color, that is of green color, has to be drawn, then the price has to move by double the range, that is 1 rupee it has to move. So when the price increases by 1 rupee from this low point, then a green candle will be drawn. Okay, starting from this point onwards, if the price moves by another 0.5 rupee, a new box will be drawn. Okay, so this is the concept of Renko chart. Okay, so it doesn't consider anything about the time. A new box will be drawn only when there is a considerable movement in the price which is set by us. So this Renko chart completely eliminates the noise. However, in range bound market conditions, you will see some amount of noise here in this Renko charts also. You will get to see these green boxes and red boxes forming one after another. In such situations, you will be losing the money. Other than that, when there is a good trend in the market, you will make a lot of profit with the help of Renko charts because you are booking the profits when there is a trend change. That is, you are booking the maximum amount of profits in the case of trade, in the case of intraday trading. When it comes to the positional trading, this will be even more beautiful. It will work even more beautiful. Suppose I put 1 hour chart. I will change this one first of all. Instead of Renko charts, I will be using the candlestick chart first of all. Let's say 1 day. So this is the 1 day candlestick chart. And coming to the Renko charts, here instead of 0.5 I will be using some 5 rupees. Okay, because I am taking the positional trades. See here, if I go short at this point, okay, first, second, third, fourth, for each box to be plotted, the price has to move by at least 5 rupees. So if I go for short at this point on 17th, I can book a profit of almost 20 rupees here. Okay, so 20 rupees profit I can book. So similarly here a green candle has been formed. So actually it is suggesting, the Renko chart is suggesting to go long in this particular stock. So we will have to see what happens in the next day and on the next day. Okay, for deciding our trade direction in the case of Renko chart. So you will be losing the money only in this type of situations. Okay, even in that case, the amount of money which you will be losing will be very small because you are using a small stop loss here. Okay, that's it. Coming to the plotting of this Renko chart, a new box will be drawn at 45 degrees with the range whatever we have set. That's it. Okay, and coming to the strategy here, we will have to sell when a red box forms, and we will have to buy when a green box forms. That is the simple strategy. However, you can improve this Renko chart strategy using additional filters and indicators, so you can improve your profits and you can enter into most profitable setups only. Okay, so that's it guys. So in case if you are trading with indices like Bank Nifty or Nifty, okay, the range you have to set should be totally different, because for a stock like Bharti Airtel I have kept a range of 0.5 because the stock price is at around 350 rupees, so I put something around 0.5 rupees as my chart movement. For drawing the new boxes, that 0.5 rupees will be used as the minimum movement. When it comes to the Bank Nifty, here the price is, it is trading at around 21,686. In such situations, if you put movement like 0.5, there will be a lot of fluctuations, so you will be losing, you will be losing the sole purpose of Renko chart. The chart will be very much volatile, so to avoid that, proper range has to be set depending upon the stock you are trading and depending upon the index you are trading. So here I am putting 15. Okay, there should be a movement of minimum 15 points for a new box to be plotted, in this case of Bank Nifty. Okay, so if you see here, so on 12th I can go short here, I can book the profit here, and I can buy here, and I can close the trade here. Okay, so by doing total 2 trades, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 candles here, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 candles here, so total 18 candles, 18 into 15, so that's almost 18 into 15, so that's almost 270 points. So total 270 points we can make in 2 trades. So if you avoid these whipsaws, okay, let's say 3 or 4 more trades you are done because there is a movement here and here, so let's say you lost another 50 to 60 points. Even after losing all that, okay, so still you will be able to make profit by some 200 points. So that's the beauty of this particular Renko charts. So the losses will be kept very small, whereas the profits, you can make as much profits as they come. So that's the beauty of this Renko chart strategy. I hope you will like this strategy. I want you guys to do the proper paper trading first of all, then do the proper back testing, then only enter into the real market, so that you will make lot of profits with the help of this Renko charts strategy. Guys, the chart will be volatile in case of range bound markets, so this Renko charts requires some amount of practice before doing the real trades. So guys, do the practice before entering into the real markets with the Renko charts, then take the trades in the real market. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries or questions, post as comments under this video. I'll be happy to answer them. Thank you.